Hello and welcome to this second tutorial that is focusing on understanding binary and working with binary. Well, in front of us we can see that there's a very old computer science riddle. There are only 10 types of people, those who understand this and those who do not. And of course, if anyone doesn't understand binary, say, oh, what does that mean? There are only 10 types of people? But of course we know that when we work with binary, 10 actually stands for 2. It stands for 2 because we have our 1's column, oh, there we go, and our 2's column, there we go, as before. So if I put a 0 in, and of course the 1 stands for 2. So that would really read as there are only 2 types of people, those who understand this and those who do not. Now, of course, when you say it like that, it doesn't make a great deal of sense. So let's have a look. Let's have a little look at our binary. Well, binary works on powers. And so I'm going to write this out. I'm going to write these powers out. Now I'm going to work with a byte this time. Now previously we worked with a nibble. This time we're going to work with a byte. So I've got 2 to the power of 0, 2 to the power of 1, 2 to the power of 2, 2 to the power of 3, 2 to the power of 4, 2 to the power of 5, 2 to the power of 6, and 2 to the power of 7. Let's have a little look at this. We'll draw my line. There's 1 column, 2 columns, 3 columns, 4 columns, 5 columns, 6, 7 and 8. So let's have a look at that. Just check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we know in a byte, BYTE equals 8 bits. There we are. So, and a byte is just like any other binary number system, works on power. So the first power is 2 to the power of 0, then it's 2 to the power of 1, 2 to the power of 2, all the way up to 2 to the power of 7. So let's have a look. Well, 2 to the power of 0, maximum value we can have in there. 2 to the power of 1, or 2 times 1 is 2. 2 to the power of 2, so that's 2 times 2, which is 4. 2 to the power of 3, so that's 2 times 2 times 2, so 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8. Then we've got 2 to the power of 4, so that's 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16. 2 to the power of 5 is 32. 2 to the power of 6 is 64, and 2 to the power of 7 is 128. So there we go. So what can we have? We're going to have 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. Of course, the simple way to remember this is that every time we go up in a column in binary, we always double the value. So let's have a little look at this. I'm going to put a line underneath that for a second. There we go. And I'm going to write out a value, a binary value. I'm just going to make one up. So I'm going to say, right, okay, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. So let's see. So that's my binary value, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. Oh, right. So what have we got? Well, we know we've got 128. Nothing in the 2 to the power of 6 or the 64 column. Nothing to the power of 2 to the power of 5, 32 column. But there's a 16, so that's 128 plus 16. Oh, and there's an 8. So there we are, there's an 8. There's nothing in the 4 column or the 2 to the power of 2. There's nothing in the 2 column or 2 to the power of 1. Oh, but there is something in the 1 column. 2 to the power of 0. This is 1, of course. So there we are. I'll write that down. So we've got 8 and 6 is 14, and 8 is 22, and 1 is 23. Okay, so that's 3, and we're going to carry the 2. 2 plus 1 is 3, and 2 is 5. Okay, so our value 1001 is 153 in binary. Okay, Now the maximum value that I could have in binary is 255. Let's test that theory out. I have a 1 and 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 a 1. So that's 8 bits. Let's count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, there's a quick way of doing this. If I split this down the middle for the moment, say, oh, okay, so 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1 is 15. So I've got the first half, or the first nibble. Now I need to add up the second half, which is slightly larger numbers, of course. So I can say, well, I've got 128. Just put a line through that so I can remember I've done it. Plus 64. There we go. Plus 32. Plus 16. There we go. So let's have a little look at this. Ooh, quite a long number this. 8 and 5 is 13. And 4 is 17. And 2 is 19. And 6 is 25. So 25. 5, carry the 2. Okay, 1 and 2 is 3, and 6 is 9, 3 is 12, and 1 is 13, plus 2 is 15, carry the 1, 1 plus 1 is 255. So the maximum value we can have in a byte is 255. Thank you for listening to this short video tutorial.